Hello everyone, I'm Sonia. Welcome to my class. Today I'm going to discuss with you about 5 short tricks to find LCM, which you can find out within some seconds. So is it interesting? Yes. So let's start. So today's first trick is that if you have some numbers, like think that you have some numbers 12, 16, 48, okay, and you want to find out its LCM, then what you will do? To find that, first of all, you have to check among them which is the biggest number. Here the bigger number is what? 48. Yes. Now you have to check, is 48 is divisible by both this other number? Okay. Now, yes, by 48 is divisible by this number, that is 12. Okay, cut this number because 12 4 ja 48. So by 12 40 is divisible. Okay, then you have to check if 48 is divisible by the other number also. Yes, by 16 also it is divisible because 16 3s are 48. Okay, if the bigger number is divisible by the all other numbers, then you have to know that here LCM is what? 48. Is it easy? Okay, so what you will do, if you have some numbers like 5, 15, 30, yes, then 60, then what you will do? First of all, what you have to check, here what is the bigger number. So here bigger number is what? 60. Okay, now what I will check, if 60 is divisible by all this number. Yes, 60 is divisible by 5. Yes, 60 is divisible by 15. Yes, 60 is divisible by 30. Okay, so now our LCM is what? 60. Okay, now come to the next trick. So here look, 5, 20, 60, 100. We need to find out the LCM of this number. So what I will do, first of all I will check which is the bigger number. Here the bigger number is what? 100. Okay, now I will check if 100 is divisible by all of them. 100 is divisible by 5, so cut this number. 100 is divisible by what? 20. Okay, but is 100 is divisible by 60? No. So then what you will do? Then you have to do one thing. If that you have a number which is divisible by the other number, but like one number not or two number not, then what you have to do? With the bigger number, you have to multiply something, like first I will multiply with this 102, then it becomes 200. Now is 200 is divisible by 60? No. Then multiply by 3. Is 300 is divisible by 60? Yes. So this 300 is our required LCM. So here you look again, 16, 12, 54. That second trick I will again discuss. Like first I will check if this bigger number, that is 54, is big here. So if it is divisible by 6, yes, 54 is divisible by 6. But if 54 is divisible by 12, no. Then what I need to do? I have to multiply with 54 something number. How? Such that whatever answer will come, that answer will divisible by what? 12. Like first of all, always start with 2. Like 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10. Okay, now I am getting 108. Now check that is 108 is divisible by 12. Yes, 108 is divisible by what? 12. So our required answer is what? It is 108. So look at the third trick. Here look, here I have some number like 5, 8, 24. Okay, first what I will do? I will find out the big number, that is 24. Now I will check that is 24 is divisible by 5? No. Is 24 is divisible by 8? Yes, 24 is divisible by 8. Now what you will do? Here look, if in a question when you are going to find out the LCM, then you check that if among them if something prime number is there. Yes, here 5 is a prime number. Now what do you mean by prime number? The numbers whose factors are 1 in itself. Like 5 is divisible by only 1 in itself, because 5 ones are 5 only. So 1 in itself. So I can say that 5 is what number? Prime number. So if you have a prime number, among them, then what you have to do? With the prime number, that big number you have to multiply. Then whatever answer is coming, that is your required LCM. Like it is 20, 12, 120 is the required LCM. Okay, what you have to do? Think that you have this kind of number like like 4, 16. Now 16 is not divisible by 7, then obviously 16 is divisible by 4. Okay, cut it. Now you are looking that here have a prime number. That is what? What is the prime number? Yes, 7. Why? Because 7 is divisible by only 7 and itself. So this is the prime number. So if there have a prime number, what you have to do? To find out the required LCM, you have to multiply that prime number with the big number, then you will get the answer, and that answer is, it's your required LCM. Okay, the fourth trick is that, think that you have this number, okay, 3684. Now you look here, the big number is which one? That is 8. Okay, now what I will check? That if 8 is divisible by all this number, so 8 is divisible by here by 4 only. So 8 is not divisible by these 3 and 6. Okay, now what you will do? So if not divisible, then what you will do? That you have to multiply with this a number. What number? That such that you have to multiply a number such that what happened? That answer will divisible by the other number. Or you can check that if there have a prime number. Okay, here have a prime number. That prime number is what? 3. Because 3 is divisible by only 3 and 1. So what you have to do? With this 3 you have to multiply this big number. That is what? 24. Now can I say that by 3 24 is divisible? Yes. By 6 also 24 is divisible? Yes. By 4 also 24 is divisible? Okay. So our required LCM is what? 24. Okay. So the next trick is that one, that this one, like you have to find out the LCM of 5, 7, 11. Here the bigger number is what? 11 is divisible by 5? No. If 11 is divisible by 7? No. Then what you will check? That is their prime number. So yes, 5 is a prime number. Why? Because 5 is divisible by 5 and 1. 7 is divisible by 7 and 1. 11 is divisible by 11 and 1. So I can say that they are what? Prime numbers. If all of them are prime numbers, then what you can do? You have to multiply all the prime numbers. Then whatever answer is coming, that is our required LCM. So when you will multiply this, then your answer will come 385. Okay, then this is your required what? LCM. So think that you have these numbers like 10, 11, 12. So what are they? They are consecutive numbers, yeah. So now what do you mean by consecutive numbers? The numbers which are coming serially, like one after another, like after 10, 11 is there, after 11, 12 is there. So if you have the numbers like they are coming serially, then what you have to do? Like you have to multiply all of them. Okay. So whatever answer will come, after that whatever answer will come, that is your LCM. Is it clear? Like it is like your prime numbers. If all of them are prime numbers, then what we need to do? We need to multiply all of them. So like that, if you are getting 3 consecutive numbers, like except that if you are getting like 7, 8, 9. Now 7, 8, 9, they are also consecutive because serially they are coming. So I can say that when you are going to find out its LCM, then just multiply all of them, like 7 into 8 into 9, then you will get the answer. So when you will multiply these 3, then you will get the answer as 660. Okay, so you will get the answer 660, and this is your required what? LCM. So hope you all understand these things. So using these tricks, you can find out LCM in some few seconds. So hope you all like it. So if you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you.